Let's have an introduce of the HTYWS-H Transformer Oil Moisture Tester. The operation of the Transformer Oil Moisture Tester is very simple. That is, there are basically low settings in the screen of the instrument. We basically finish the collection according to your requirements, and we just click to start. But what the difficult point is, we need to install the electrolysis cap of the instrument according to the requirements of our electrolysis electrodes, including our measuring electrodes, our sealing tube, also be installed in accordance with our testing requirements and installed in this place. Because of the limitation of our testing time, we will not install it here. For this installation, you can install it according to the requirements of the manual, and then fill it with some of our electrolyte. Then we need to install to the measuring electrodes, electrolytic electrodes, and then we need to infuse our electrolyte between our inner electrodes and outer electrodes, including there are some dry materials for the search tube. We already need to follow its requirements. At this time, we must pay attention to the situation that when we install these electrodes, we need to completely comply with the requirements of our instructions. At these joints, we have applied the Vaseline sealant which we have configured to it. Our requirement is that after our entire installation, it is in a sealed state. So, after you finish the installation, after the electrolyte is added, we only need to press the start button. Then there will be some hints on it telling you where there is a problem. There are some tips for electrolysis or other things. At this time, you can deal with these fours according to the tips on the screen. The whole electrolyte inside is not unlimited use because the reaction of the whole instrument is the principle of measuring microwater is to consume the amount of the potassium permanganate in it. Then the contents in my electrolyte is fixed. Then, after we have done a quantitative sample, after it becomes useless, it can be electrolyzed and it can be balanced. And then this electrolysis will never be completed. So we need to replace our electrolyte according to its requirements to restore the test. At this point, we must pay attention to its electrolytic liquid. It cannot react endlessly and measure endlessly. In one word, the electrolyte in it is consumables, and we need to replace it according to the requirements.